Hey y'all,
I'm Grace.
I'm Aniston,
I'm Kirby.
And I'm Lincoln.
and today we're going to be showing y'all how to make sugar-free, no-bake chocolate chip cookie dough. So your ingredients are going to be almond flour, coconut flour, salted butter, chocolate chips, maple syrup, vanilla, and salt.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour all the ingredients into a bowl. So you'll need 1 cup of almond flour, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 6 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of vanilla. Then you mix that, and then you put the chocolate chips in after you're done mixing.
So that's about the consistency that you want. So then we're going to add in the chocolate chips,
1/4 cup.
but we're going to add a little
If you prefer
extra.
more, add a little extra.
Be a little bit generous if you want.
You're gonna want to fold them into the dough instead of just mixing.
So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your cookie dough and you're gonna roll it in little balls and put it on a pan, and then you're gonna let it chill in the freezer for 20 minutes.
So let's come over. So here we go. Here's the final product after 20 minutes. Are we ready to give it a taste test?
Yes.
It's good, guys. It's good.
10 out of 10.
Oh, again, this was sugar-free, no-bake chocolate chip cookie dough. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in next time.